Hi guys, it's Haley from Campus Ink, and holiday season is right around the corner, so I'm here to show you some simple holiday sweater designs that we have put together for you. So here we have a bunch of templates that we've created that you can use to go off of and create your holiday sweaters. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to build these designs out. If we start with the template, this is what it looks like, and I'm going to customize it to the bar, organization, or whatever event you're wanting to design these for. So I'm just going to copy and paste this design right here onto a new artboard. And then I'm going to change the font to, if you go to the font type kits, it is this one right here, Knit Font A. And you can download these all from the type kit that we will send out. I'm going to change that to whatever you're wanting it to be. So I'm going to use the bar again. And again, we will align everything to the center. Perfect. And now I'm gonna create this with some clip art of a beer mug that I found on Google by just searching beer mug vector and paste it right on into your design. Then I'm gonna image trace it, choose the silhouette, and it should look something like that. Then we can expand it, and now it is just these shapes. And I'm gonna change it to white, and now this is how we got the beer mug. So next, I'm gonna go into the Knit Elements kit and just select one of these little guys, copy it, paste it over here, make it a little bit bigger, and also change that color to white. What we're trying to do is create that circle effect. So I'm gonna get rid of these, zoom out, select this side, and line it up with the other side. It looks like one cohesive shape instead of the other little pattern that it was before. Hold shift so that it is a perfect circle and not an oval or anything else like that. Now we can select all of this and use your Pathfinder tool to divide. Now we have the sweater knit texture that we are looking for, and we can put the beer mug on top of it. And then we can select everything again and do the same thing with the Pathfinder and delete the parts we don't need. Designing sweaters is so fun. And I'm just using my selection tool up here to select what I don't want. And now we can drag our new design in. You might have to size it down or up depending on what yours looks like. Okay, so now that we have the design finished, it's time to mock it up. I'm gonna go over to S&S Activewear, and I'm gonna be using the Gildan 18,000 crew neck and using the Heather Sport dark green. So I can click on this, copy it, and paste it into Illustrator. Here it is. I'm also gonna create a new artboard for the mock-up. So I'm going to just copy and paste that one right there. And we can drag it over here so that it's in line with your design. Make sure everything's grouped together, and we can create outlines for the type so that it's print ready. And there you have your customized bar crawl, event, holiday design. So you can reach out to us now if you'd like to get your